How to earn in affiliate marketing with social media. In this video I'm going to be discussing how to earn in affiliate marketing with the use of social media. Affiliate marketing is one of the most effective ways to make money online. With the use of social media, you can make even more money as an affiliate. The first step to earning in affiliate marketing through social media is setting up an affiliate program. This includes establishing your affiliate tracking software, referral links, custom sign-up pages, and marketing materials. If you are part of a network marketing company, then all you have to think about is a landing page, where your affiliates can see your product and make the purchase. Once you have your affiliate program set up, you should research the biggest social media platforms, such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn, to determine which one will be the best for your affiliate marketing goal. Then, consider your sales process, target audience, and ad type to further narrow down the most effective platform. Finally, create content and promotions that are tailored to your affiliate program and the chosen platform. This could include text/posts, images, videos, reviews, tutorials, and live streams. These steps are just a quick look at what needs to be done to start growing your affiliate business through social media. Stay tuned to this channel by subscribing for much more content on the subject, and step-by-step guides on how to create different online income streams. Thanks for watching and good luck.